So today I want to build up the CNC engraving machine 3018 Pro Max from Vevor, and after that I hope we can create our first pieces with it. Okay, so this seems to be the nut support seat. I need one spring and one T8 nut. It fits. And I think, yes. So then we need the stepper motor and a muff coupling. I guess this is this piece. So these go to the sides. This is down because of this foot here. Okay, this is on the left, this is on the right. And we have two stepper motor through here, and there are 4 holes for the screws, I guess. Yeah, seems to fit. So I guess we use the smaller ones because the other ones seem to be too long. These guide blocks, we have 4 of them. You can see that the big holes go to the outside and the smaller ones to the inside. So I guess, or I hope that this is correct this way. M5, 16 millimeters long, for smooth access to this side part. And this. This nuts. We need 3 of them on the upper end, like this. Those screws, it seems on this picture here that they are showing to the outside. And as I said, these show to the outside, so in this case they show to me, those screws. And this is the outside, I think. A hand knob, we need a hand knob. I guess it's one of these black ones here. Oh, and feet go down, so like this. Plus I need another screw. I guess it's this small black one here. Yeah, control this middle lead screw. Okay, and this is a small one, so we need a small inbus. Okay, fit with the M516. So this is how it looks like now. There are 2 little screws here as well. The picture doesn't say that, but of course we have to loosen them to fixate here the lead screw. Like this, and then fixate it here. And fixate it also on the bottom. Now this is holding and can turn. Now we put it back. we just put this lead screw here inside this, what's the name? Muff coupling, and fixate this as well. My setup looks like this. Those screws also to the outside. Looks okay, I think. Looks good. So step one, I think we're ready. Okay, now we need this aluminum profile. Remove that. It's for protection from scratches, I think. Now we have this. And we need, those are the correct ones. 4 and 2 in the middle. 1, 2, and the other remaining 4 here at the other hole. Okay, so now looks like this. We leave it like that. And okay, do it the same way. So motor, I'm trying to do this, lay it like this. Motor is here. This way is the cable connector of the motor. And then, okay, so the big holes here. This is where we put the screws through. So this is how it looks like now, and I think it looks exactly like our pictures here. Okay, so now let's continue with step 3. We will need these side pieces. This side. 2 centimeters. This is a little bit tricky. Oh, this is really hard to. I think I got it now. Yes. That looks good. 46 millimeters from the end. So I will just measure this. Step 3, stump. Okay, so we need another hand knot, and again we need a little screw. This is stupid. Okay, it's already adjusted here. Yeah, we do not have to assemble that because it's already here and I'm looking for it. Okay, now we need another nut, this one, and the second spring. Spring nut. Press T8 nut to the bottom. Adjust it. 2 of those long smooth axes again. Now we can continue with step 5. We need this motor, and it says cable direction goes to the back. First we need to fixate those little screws here again. So, and the cable direction is to the back. We also need those leftover 2 aluminum profiles again. We have to put this through. It's very hard to do that, but I will try. Okay, that was really tricky, but I think I've got it now. Now, of course, we need to also connect those smooth axes and the aluminum profile as well. Hand up there. Just like before. It's not 100% center. Okay, so we're finished with step 6 already. Seems like there's only left step 7 and 8. So we only have left a controller board, control board, and this is also the next step we should do. Just put it like this. A plastic column must be assembled between the control board and the aluminum parts, yeah, for protection, of course. Be at the top. Step 7 is done, I guess. Looks good, I would say. Like the picture. Like this. And now only the guard plates still need to be adjusted or connected with everything. Yeah, this was quite easy, I would say. Yeah, like this. Those small ones here. Same thing on the other side. Looks good. Looks just like the picture. Okay, I think we're done already.